Walking through the digital aisles of the modern health world feels like navigating a minefield of big promises and even bigger font sizes. You see these names everywhere. They promise strength. They promise energy. They promise a version of yourself that feels like a superhero from a movie. One name that keeps popping up lately is Potency Wood. It sounds bold. It sounds like exactly what someone looking for a boost would click on. But the real question is whether the science inside the bottle matches the marketing on the label. We see this all the time in the male performance market. Companies throw around words like vitality and hormonal balance. They want you to believe a single pill is a magic key. Potency Wood leads with ashwagandha root extract. This is a heavy hitter in the herbal world. It has been used for centuries. Modern science actually backs some of its benefits. It can help with stress. It might even support your testosterone levels. But here is the catch. The effectiveness depends entirely on the concentration. You cannot just sprinkle a little bit of root dust into a capsule and expect a miracle. If the dose is too low, you are just buying expensive filler. Then there are the antioxidants. They are great for your cells. They keep things running smoothly. However, they are not a direct switch for performance. You get those from a balanced diet anyway. What makes this specific product tricky is the lack of feedback. When you look for verified customer reviews, the trail goes cold. There are not many people talking about their real-world results yet. That should make you pause. A product without a history is a gamble. To make things even more confusing, there is another brand with a very similar name. One is a liquid soft gel from a well-known company. The other is what we see on major retail sites. People are getting them mixed up. They buy one, thinking it is the other. This naming overlap is a massive red flag for anyone trying to be careful with their health. You have to be a detective just to know what you are putting in your body. Supplements are not regulated like medicine. They do not have to prove they work before they hit the shelf. They just have to be safe. That is a very low bar to clear. Real results come from the boring stuff. They come from how much you sleep. They come from the food on your plate. They come from the sweat in the gym. Potency Wood might be a real product you can physically hold in your hand. It is not a scam in the sense that it does not exist. It has ingredients that do something. But calling it a guaranteed solution is a stretch. It is more like a question mark in a bottle. If you want to try it, go in with your eyes open. Do not expect the world to change overnight. Your lifestyle will always do more for your vitality than a supplement ever could. Be smart about where you spend your money. Research the specific brand. Check the dosage on the back. Talk to a professional if you are already taking other things. The supplement industry moves fast. It relies on people wanting a quick fix. But your health is a long game. Stick to what is proven. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. Every body reacts differently to these herbs. What gives one person a boost might do nothing for another. That is the nature of the beast. Always look past the flashy website and the stock photos of smiling men. Look at the numbers. Look at the science. If the information is hard to find, there is usually a reason for that. Stay curious and stay skeptical. Your health is worth the extra effort. One pill is rarely the whole answer. Look at your habits first. Then, and only then, look at the bottle.